Meaning of horrid.
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 Horrid. The word horrid is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely unpleasant, dreadful, or offensive. It can also refer to something that is morally repugnant or abhorrent. The term often connotes a sense of disgust or revulsion. Examples of things that could be described as horrid include a putrid smell, a gruesome crime scene, an appalling act of cruelty, or a terrifying experience. Overall, the word horrid is a strong and emotive term used to describe something that is deeply disturbing or offensive to the senses.